These two products are a necessity if you have oily skin. Take it from me, I actually avoid wearing foundation because my skin is very hydrated. This will keep you fresh all night long. This is a blotting paper. If you don't have a blotting paper, take apart a tissue and just use one ply. So you take your blotting paper and you just press it, instantly mattified. You have your little oil here on the paper, and then I just take it and I do it always here too. Here. If it hangs like this, that means that you have some oils on your skin that you can get rid of. So that's the easiest way to make sure that your oily skin stays fresh all day, because you can keep doing that. So don't worry, you can use 50 if you need them. And then we have here my handy dandy Ray Morris Invisible Mattifier. So this is clear. You just take your foundation brush, that's what I'm using, just whatever brush that I have. And then I'm going to press and roll. What this is going to do is not only really mattify the skin, make your pores look a bit smaller, and your skin look very smooth. This is a silicone base. I love how it makes your skin look super flawless, and it keeps it very comfortable as well. You don't feel like you have something heavy like a powder on top of your skin. So I really hope these tips help.